Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, this generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you guys need to find where the airbag module fuses are located, you have up to 3 of them. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Now, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This video is not a how-to video. Why? Because you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbags, even removing fuses, guys, because it can cause injuries, even death. So you need to know what you're doing. Consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Quick reminder for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbags: disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour. And you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. We'll have video in the link below, guys, under the description of the video below. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. We'll share where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So, airbag module fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we'll be working just one, but you have fuse boxes that are extremely hidden in that car. We have video on our channel about fuse box location. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. Come to the inside, guys. You see on the lower side of the dash here, that lower trim extends to the other side of the steering wheel. It has 4 clips, one here, one there underneath, and 2 like that on the other side. Grab, pull from top to bottom, it will open, and underneath, deep inside on the left side, you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. For the airbag module, guys, which fuses you will need to check, up to 3 different fuses. And now coming here, okay, consider this video for entertaining purposes only, guys. This is not a how-to video. You have some double fuses that are a little bit tricky, but here we'll need to check fuse number 19. That's fuse number 19. Fuse number 22, right here, that's a double fuse, 19, 20, 21, 22, but 19. 22, and you need to check, guys, one more, which is actually, guys, fuse number 35. The number is next to it right here. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.